Hey, welcome everyone. Just gonna head out on a ferry ride Sunday afternoon here. Gonna go head out on a bit of a ferry ride along the harbour here in Sydney. Hope everybody enjoys. So we're recording, we're sweet, perfect. Just checking everything is going. Get everybody on and then we'll make our way. So we'll head towards Opera House, Harbour Bridge and all that, Circular Quay. Take these outside to chat. Testing our setup today.
You want to the back or the front?
Doing a sort of a live vlog today on our Sony action camera X3000. Got a bit of a wind muff set up as well, so hopefully everything works out nice for everybody. Let me turn these around so you can see the lovely view. Just checking out all the cool settings the Sony has to offer. So let me turn these around. So you can enjoy the cool views. We're just testing out the new camera today. Center point tower here. Just getting some HD footage. Yeah, come out here on a Sunday afternoon here in Sydney. Welcome everyone, and don't forget to go check out my anyone interested in watching the live streams. Go check out the live streams at twitch.tv/31nismo, so you can watch the live streams. Hope everyone is enjoying their day. Should be taking off in a couple of moments. We'll head towards Circular Quay and we'll go for a little walk around Harbour Bridge and stuff. Just about to take off. Go for a short little ferry ride. Hope everyone enjoys the vlog. Go for a bit of a harbour ferry ride today. Hi, can I call you back in about 10 minutes? I'm just working and filming. Is that okay? I'm just working. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. Don't you love a live phone call on the live vlog or the live stream? So we're just going up to Barangaroo here. It's building a Crown Casinos here. Just want to test out the stability of the Sony X3000 today and check out the steady stability, the steady shot, and the little wind protection that I've made today. So welcome everyone to Sydney, Australia. So we'll come out and do a 15-minute ferry harbour vlog here in Sydney. Show everyone our beautiful harbour here. Just gonna reverse back. And pull into the dock here. We're just on the live stream at the moment over at Twitch TV as well too, so we'll get some footage as well too, some HD footage today. Just here at Barangaroo, pick up some passengers. We're on the Watson's Bay, Rose Bay ferry ride. We'll take these out again one day. We were just here on our live stream last week, so I'll post up some videos of that and some clips on the channel. The sun's so red today. I don't know if you can see that. Yo, Justin, thank you so much. Welcome, welcome. I'm just doing getting some footage at the moment. Hope all is well. Just taking some HD footage with the Sony at the moment. Doing a live vlog for our other platform. See if we can zoom in a little bit. Checking at the sun. That's the preview from the Sony camera. You can see here. Hope all is well, Justin. Just waiting here to pick up some passengers and going to take off pretty shortly. Hope all is well. You got the Captain Cook cruises here. Another ferry waiting to pull in. But the sun is so red from the bushfires in New South Wales here. This is where the new casino is going to get built. They're up to it says the 61st floor here at the moment.